Okay, so now we have our account created. It's time to look at how to theme our account and what we should be posting. So the first thing is, with Instagram, you want to keep your account completely on theme. So what that means is, if your account, let's say, like this one, is to promote motivational content, then just make sure that's all you post. You don't want to be posting random things. Now, you don't really want to be posting too many things that are personal, like pictures of your family, that sort of thing, unless you're building yourself as the brand. Okay, so celebrities can post selfies of themselves, pictures of the family, what they're eating, pictures of the meals that they're having. That's fine because people are interested in that person. But if you've got a brand new account and you're not a celebrity and you just want to build the account to either make money, then you've got to keep your account on theme, because you'll attract more people who will follow you and the content that you're producing. So a couple of quick examples of this. Here we are on this page, Motivation Mafia. Now they have 1.8 million followers. And if we just scroll down, you can see how consistent the content is. So it's pretty much just black text on a white background. And you can see how they split these up with images on their account. Okay, so as you can see, everything is consistent and there's nothing thrown in that shouldn't be there. So you can scroll through the whole thing and it's consistent. And another example of this, so Kylie Jenner has 120 million followers. Now she is obviously a celebrity and she keeps her account branded because she is her brand. So if we scroll through Kylie's account, we can see almost all the pictures are of her and her makeup brand, because that is what her account is all about. It's on point, it's consistent, and it's all about her because she is her brand. So she can put pictures of herself. But if you've got a brand new account, you're not a celebrity, you need to make sure your content is all on point as to what your account is all about. So if you're promoting fitness, for example, make sure all your account is about fitness. So I hope that makes sense with keeping your accounts and your content consistent to what your account is about. A couple of other things to point out. Once you create your account, you decide what you want it to be themed on. The first thing you need to do is create 12 posts. What this does is it fills up your feed, so when people are looking at your account, they'll see you've got at least 12 posts on there and you're not a brand new account with just 1 or 2 posts. Another thing to bear in mind is video posts will get a lot more interaction than just standard text posts. Now it's good to mix up both of them, but just know that if you're sharing videos, you're going to get a lot more interaction, you're going to get a lot more people liking and following and commenting on them, and a lot more people following your account. Now obviously, you're not going to want to create all these videos for yourself, so you can use a Chrome extension, Chrome browser extension, such as one called Video Downloader Professional, and all you do is you'd visit an account in the Chrome browser, so an Instagram account, and if you see any videos that you want to use, you can click a button in your browser and it will download the video to your computer, and you can then upload that to your own account. Now if you're doing this, you always want to give credit to the account where you've used the video. You're not stealing, you're just reusing the video. So just make sure when you post it to your account that you give credit to the person and tag them in to the account where you took the video from. Okay, so all you need to do is just have a little line that just says credit and then at the person's username, and you can use that, and you'll find you'll get a lot more visitors faster when you're posting videos, especially popular videos like viral videos or funny videos, if it fits in with your theme. Again, we come back to making sure that everything is themed around the particular niche or theme of what your account is about. Okay, so that's how to theme your account and the types of posts you can add. And in the next video, we'll look at hashtags.